everybody, welcome back. It's Tasha here. I am here today with my next Boxycharm unboxing. Today, actually delivered when I got home, was my Boxycharm regular subscription box. So we will jump into that in just a minute. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. Thanks for joining me. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I do makeup unboxings, I do try-ons, reviews, kind of anything related to makeup. So if that sounds interesting to you, please consider subscribing. Without any more talk, I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the Boxycharm regular August box. And I was so happy because my premium did not come with a card like normal, but my regular did. So the theme is actually glamping is what it looks like. Spa, glamping, sunbathe, yoga, slumber is what it says on the front there. So we won't look at the card. Let's go ahead and jump in and see what we got. So I do know that my choice item was the Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. And unfortunately, I don't know if it's my email or I don't know what it is. I won't talk about it a whole lot, but I don't get the emails from Boxycharm timely. So when I went to pick my choice item, most of the shades, most of the shades were already picked over for the very light, and I'm very pale. I typically need Swan. However, Pearl was a choice. I am not going to swatch this. I'm going to save this for the giveaway in Pearl because I know that it won't work for me. I know it's just a little bit too dark, and that's what I kind of got it for the giveaway. So another thing set aside yet for the giveaway, but awesome item to get in the box. It is a full-sized, of course, it's all full-sized, but I mean, it is a good-sized concealer. If you get this concealer lasts forever. I do notice that Too Faced tends to run a little yellow, which for me doesn't always work. I'm a little more neutral, if anything, but certainly quite a few people love this. So first item is the Too Faced, and it is a retail value of $29. Next item that I see here is Mud Masky. It is the Blue Light Protection Mask. And so this, wow, retails for $54. Blocks High Visible Energy Light, HEV. I've never heard of that. From digital devices like smartphones and laptops up to 94%, made especially for people that spend a lot of time behind the computer screen, prevents premature skin aging caused by HEV light. So certainly I've heard of blue light. I've never heard it categorized as high energy visible light, but I do really like the idea of having something that kind of shields your face from some of the damaging rays. I do spend a lot of time behind a computer screen or some kind of something, and I do like the idea of this. It looks like it is cruelty-free. It is skin loving. So let's go ahead and open this up. It does have a seal. Oh, I just love it. I really appreciate when products have a seal. I know that's probably a little bit crazy, but to me it just makes me feel a little bit better. It smells very clean. Oh, and look at that. It is a white mask. And so this says, wash your hands and face, apply a thin layer, leave the mask on during the day. Oh, that's interesting. So not really a primer, but you should leave this on underneath everything. I wonder how that would affect your makeup, if it would change how long your makeup wears or change the consistency of it. It does feel a little thick, but not particularly anything else. It doesn't feel super hydrating. It doesn't feel like it's sinking into the skin yet. It kind of is sitting on top. Well, there you go. So that's the next product. That'll be interesting to try. I like the idea of it. I'm not sure how it functions underneath your makeup all day. That's interesting. Next product that I received, which I am super excited about, is the Elizabeth Mott Eyeshadow Primer. Retail value is $20, and I've actually heard quite a few YouTubers who say that this is an awesome eyeshadow primer. It says this cruelty-free primer enhances your eyeshadows and protects your makeup all day. Love that it's cruelty-free. They say that it works really, really well. I'm trying to open it without wrecking the package. Cute little pink container. And let's see what it looks like here. I did wipe my hand off after. Wow, you can hardly see that. I did wipe my hand off after I put that thing on. So a little bit of a dot. It is skin colored. It is very thick. Holy moly, I didn't expect that. Very, very thick. And it smells like baby powder wipes-ish. At any rate, super excited about that. They say it works really, really well. So I am excited to try that out. So far, some nice products. I'm liking the regular better than the premium so far. Next product that I see is this Clarins Velvet Lip Color. Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector. Clarins best-selling natural lip perfectors go bold with a new matte finish. A liquid lipstick with a weightless mousse texture that delivers a highly pigmented velvety finish with a soft blur effect, formulated with conditioning and nourishing shea butter, leaving lips feeling hydrated for hours. Retail value $26. In the shade 01. I hope that's not the color. Holy moly, that's bright. It says Velvet Nude though. Let's see. Oh, I wonder if the packaging, that's pretty interesting packaging. It is, oh, it is like a fuzzy lip applicator. I'm going to squeeze a little bit of that out and see. So as I squeeze it, you can see the tip of that is just getting a little bit of color. It used to be white. I don't know what I think about that. I am going to swatch that right there. That is a beautiful nude. Oh, that's an interesting applicator. I'm not sure what I think about the applicator. I feel like that would get messy and would get hard to be precise with that. It doesn't smell like anything. It doesn't smell like anything at all. It is super lightweight. I can't even tell that it's on my hand. Like, it doesn't even feel like anything at all. Huh. Super cool. I'm excited to try that as well. Very nice. Go Boxycharm. I like it. And then the last product that I have in here is a little palette. It is by Butter London. It is called Teddy Boy. And it says this is a 9-piece eyeshadow palette. Let's open it up and see. Retail value for this is $28. It's a cute little packaging. It is cruelty-free. I do like we've gotten quite a few cruelty-free products this time. And then there is the inside. So instead of the whole thing opening up, it just, oh, there's a nice magnetic closure. I like that. Instead of opening in one palette, it opens in two. A little nice saying, looking good, darling. And then this is the mirror. The mirror is very tiny. I do like just a little bit bigger of a mirror. A mix of shimmers and mattes there, but all very neutral, very teddy bear-ish color, if that makes sense. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to swatch Freddy, which is this color right there. That looks like an interesting smoky gray-brown. It's pretty. It's not super pigmented. I'm going to swatch Francis next, which is this color right there. That feels much softer and more pigmented. That is a metallic there. And then I guess let's do Graham right here. I loaded that finger up so it'll be more pigmented. So it looks like this is one that you may have to build up a little bit, but I do like that. I like the palette. Definitely neutrals. You get some neutral looks with that. And it basically says it's a 9-piece eyeshadow of shimmer, metallic, and matte shades. Very cool. I really like the regular Boxycharm. I like it so much better than the premium this time. Some really nice products. Let's go ahead and add up and see what our total is for this Boxycharm. So total value is $157. Now understand 54 of that is that mask, but still really great value for $25 and some really great products in there this time. Love the regular Boxycharm. Definitely has won over the premium for this month, I think, for the month of August. What did you all get in your Boxycharms? Did everyone get theirs yet? I know everything was kind of running a little behind, at least in my area, for all my shipping. Have you guys gotten yours? Do you love a product? Drop a line in the comment and let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I loved having you here today. Please be safe, be happy, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.